What's going on, everybody? This video takes place at my neighbor's house across the street. A drunk driver pulls into his driveway and blaring country music and ends up hitting his truck. So while you're watching this, take note of the times on the videos and listen to the music. So here he is pulling in at 1:36 a.m. So now, an hour and a half later, he's still sitting there asleep, and he takes his foot off the brake. Smash. So any normal person would get out and look, but he just kind of sits there and fixes his hat and just goes back to sleep. He's obviously hammered. So my neighbor finally figures out he's there, comes out, music still blaring, reaches in and puts his truck in park and pulls the keys out and throws them to my other neighbor who's standing at the bottom of the driveway. He decides to pull his cell phone out and just snap a little video real quick. You'll see him right here, passed out. I can't wrap my mind around even. So this is where the cops show up. Now it's almost 3:40. Listen to this song as the cops showing up. It's pretty funny. It's so ironic. So they have to reach in and take his faceplate off his stereos to shut it off. The dude's out of it. They try to wake him up.
Hey, partner. Hey.
I don't know if you could hear him, but he said, "Call a medic."
Hey, partner.
He ain't budging.
Hello.
So here on the next little segment, the paramedics show up and basically tell him that they're gonna take him to the ER or else he's gonna go to jail. So of course he goes to the ER and they have him blow breathalyzer and draw blood, and he blows a .34. So he's pretty intoxicated at this point.
What's going on? What happened? You know where you're at right now? Where you at?
So the guy actually lives one street over, and he thought he was pulling into his own driveway. I don't know.
What's going on? What happened? Hey, buddy. You cracked.
He has no clue.
We're gonna take you to the ER.
No.
We got this police officer here on Green Road. Yeah, if you don't come with us, you're gonna be going to jail.
So they get him out of the way, have him sit down.
Talk to him, he's in charge. Get out right here, man.
get them
We're
checked
gonna check
out,
you out
and
right here.
haul them off. Kind of crazy. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.